Hi, Miss Macgrady here. Today we're going to read Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. Hope you enjoy the story. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter tiptoe, creeps crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes a fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fluff makes the bear Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. In our story, poor Bear woke up to find his friends were having a party without him. This made him feel very upset. Have you ever felt like you were left out? Did this make you feel upset like Bear? Leaving people out makes them feel sad, so always be a good friend and include everyone. Thank you for spending time today in Miss Macgrady's classroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye for now.